Hi guys, so today's video is inspired by Hellofresh. We're going to be making a cottage pie. The ingredients are shown on the screen. Stay tuned and keep watching. To start off, I'm browning my mince in a little bit of oil. I added the onions and garlic to this already, and you want to fry this in the pan for 5 to 6 minutes or until brown. Next, you're going to be adding the tomato puree to the browned mince with the onions and garlic, which was already there. You're going to add water bit by bit. To be honest, I didn't use up to 200 ml, probably used about 150 ml. And then lastly, I added the red wine stock paste to this mixture. So you're going to leave that to combine and continue to heat up on the pan for a couple more minutes. So next you want to grate your cheese using a grater. Once that's grated, you're going to set it aside ready to put on top of the potatoes. So once your potatoes are cooked, you're going to drain them to get rid of the excess water, and then you're going to add a small bit of milk and butter to the pan and then mash it up. If you like, you can add some additional seasoning, herbs, spices to your mashed potatoes, but I personally just like to add milk and butter. Next, you want to transfer your browned cooked mince into an oven-proof dish and layer it at the bottom of the dish. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and add the next layer, which would be the layer of the mashed potatoes on top of the minced meat. You then want to smoothen that out to your preference. To top that up, I ended sprinkling some thyme on top of the mashed potatoes and then finally putting in the cheese that was earlier grated on top of this. After that's done, you're going to transfer to an oven and cook until golden brown. Next, into a heated pan, you're going to add some oil or butter, and then to this you're going to add in your peas. This only needs to be heated for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's cooked, you're going to leave it aside to add as a side to your cottage pie. So this is the final look of the cottage pie. Once I've brought it out of the oven, you can see the cheese at the top is nicely melted and we've got a nice golden brown to coat. So now it's time to dish it out, add your peas and enjoy your meal. Guys, don't forget to check in the description below on how you can get a discount off your own HelloFresh box using my discount code so you can enjoy tasty meals like this. Thanks for watching.